Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Zen Messenger error that shows and that makes you cringe. So how you can fix it? First of all, make sure you have the latest version of the Sketchware Professional. So now I'm going to show you the app version and app information. I have the Sketchware Professional version 6.3.0 with fix update 1. So don't use fix update 2 because that has more bugs than fix 1. So use fix 1. So after that, you need to override the latest version of local libs. So now I'm uploading, you can see, to my drive. So you'll get provided this link from my blog, and here you can see I'm now opening the Sketchware Professional, and you can see the Zen app already open in the library manager, and you can see one restore project over there. If you press it, so you can pick up your project or .swv file already shown in previous video. So you can see this chain application. I changed the package name. The package name was different before with the name of Rex LLC, and then make sure you are enable this information like Firebase project ID, app ID, and API key and bucket URL. Okay, then make sure you uh, enable this one because it's default one created by Rex. So if you want to change this app or banner ID, so create your own AdMob account and create AdSense. Sometime it don't compile with your old information, so make sure you have the correct and new informations. So check AdMob account of your or ad unit account and create new AdSense, and then use the banner or interstitial ads. After that, after you enable this everything and save information, you can go back and compile this project easily without a single error. So make sure you have this latest local libs. So you can see the local library directory or local libs.zip over there with 121 MB, and if you view this local libs, you can have this all updated libraries. You can see, you can find all updated libraries because I already have this local library, so it works perfectly and nicely. So you can see, and make sure after you paste local libraries, paste also this one like Android networking, autofill browser, Firebase Analyte, all also local libs over there for correct information. And then if you still have error, you can go over there at local library and you can install local libraries. So make sure you are using DX or D8, it depends on your project. So this Zen application currently running on DX, so I'm gonna use this DX. So after that, press DX and you can paste your dependency over there, and you can start to analyze your local library over there. So that's all, and then you can now run. So now I'm gonna skip this video for a little bit. You can see it's now loading the first step. So its Java is now compiling. You can see the running string frog also, and now DX is running, means this will work and this will compile your application. So that's all for this today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You will be provided the blogspot link in the description. Go there and check this out. You will get all library and project free. Upcoming project will be more interesting, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.